All right. So
Yes, correct.
is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Because C comes before F and F comes before J.
Mhm.
Comes before L. L is right behind M. And since M and M is the same, you do, and E is before you. So that's
Yes,
why
exactly.
Mercedes.
Exactly. Okay, so um okay, so let's do this for numbers. Let's do it for numbers.
Uh,
So create another list, and this time it will just be numbers in between the
Pam,
inside the
pam,
list.
pam, 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 pam. Mm, 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 mm.
Not string of numbers, or just numbers. You understand? No quotation marks, just numbers. Yes, like that. Make sure that they are scattered.
That's what I'm doing. You know. So, uh, thinking, thinking, tooty, theory, kitty, chain, go, chain,
Okay, this is fine.
chain,
So let's do the same thing you did for that other one. You call sort, and then you now print it, and let's see how it what it will become. Okay.
I want to
Are
make
you
harder numbers for it.
okay? Go ahead then.
That's a very good number. Now, from my guess, 45 will be the first.
45. Yes, we're expecting 45 to be first. That's correct. Okay. So let's see how it looks when after we sort it. Dot sort. Yeah.
Time for the review. In 3, 2, 1, go!
All right. Perfect.
2,
Okay.
2, 5, 8, 1, 3, 9, 2, 3.
Does it do the job?
Definitely, definitely.
So that tells you something, that alphabetical order and ascending order.
Numerical order.
Numerical, you mean? Which one is
Yes.
numerical? Did you just form that?
Yes. How did you know?
Because it sounded like you joined two words together. You
Number
concatenated
and
it and alphabetical, right?
number and reticle. Yes. Number and the reticle in alphabetical.
I see.
Numerical.
Order. Okay.
Yes.
So okay, so at least we have seen how this plays out for numbers now. We've seen how it plays out for strings. Okay, so let's try and change some things, like see some of
Yeah.
the, the what do you call them? Um, what did I want to say? The argument.
Numerical order.
So before we do the arguments, you know what? Let's see the strings for these guys, whether the strings will also behave the same way. What do I
What do
mean?
you mean?
The strings of the numbers. So you can copy that list that you have there. But instead of just saying
Not
100,
list.
yes, the number, yes, that one. So we're going to put them in strings, in between quotation marks, each of them. You understand? You don't need to delete it. Just put them inside. Just put quotation. No, I didn't say you should change the name. Just put quotation mark around the numbers. That's what I mean. Yes, like that. Exactly. Yes. 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 Careful. Oh. That's good.
Sorry.
Was it 928 or 923?
928.
So why did they not change it to
9
9,000?
to 10.
9,210.
920.
920. That's not
No.
920.
Sorry. No. What?
Are you going to correct it?
9,200.
We're not Americans here, and even Americans, we don't accept that. How would you say 9,200? It's only in America where that thing sounds acceptable.
But I am
Here,
American.
we call it correctly 9,210.
But I am American.
Are you changing it or you want to leave it like that?
Leave it like that.
All right, go ahead and call the sort method. Let's see how it looks after you leave it like that. Remember, you're calling it on NOS list, the one that has the numbers as strings. Sort.
Sorting. And time for the grand reveal. In 3, 2, 1, go.
What does it do?
What did it just do? What did it do?
Let's take a look at it well now. Does it arrange it in any order?
Oh, alphabetical order, not numerical order. Sorry, not
It's
numerical
still alphabetical order.
Yes, because because the starting of 1 is O, so O and O is before 3, and the starting of 3 is T. O is before T, and okay, it doesn't make sense again. It doesn't make sense again.
That's what you should just say. So I will check this out and I'll get back to you, because now there's something else happening here that is not according to the plan. Okay, so let's go and do the adding arguments. So we're going to start with new list.sort. Go back to new list.sort.
Okay. And then
no, you can't change that code now. Can you? You can't.
I wish. I just buy wish.
You can only copy and paste. That's the only thing. Then we're going to.
Okay, so I should copy and paste.
Yes. Not there. Sort, this dot sort method. Yes, that one.
Why?
Because when you declare, you can declare once. We don't need to declare. Oh,
my
hold
name
on.
is
Looks
helping,
like you've gone and
help,
opened something like
help, 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 help,
okay.
help.
Now, delete
I
that
open
second,
wall.
close it now. Delete the second parenthesis and type the first, delete the two parentheses and type the first one again. Good. Now we're going to see, you see that one that says reverse. Okay.
Yep.
We're going to make, instead of it to be false, we'll say reverse equals true. So can you go ahead and do just that? Just reverse. Type reverse. Yes. And then put your assignment operator. And then put true. True. No, not false. False is the default. It will give you back the same thing. Let's change it. No, just okay.
I'm
Close
coming.
it.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Where are you going?
The crown of life that God has promised to those who love Him. James 1:12.
Daddy,
Blessed is
Uncle
the man
Obi
who
nice
perseveres
calling
under
you.
trial, because when he has stood the test, he will receive the crown of life that God has promised to
Huh?
those who love Him. James 1:12. Blessed is the man who perseveres under trial, because when he has stood the test.
Hello, Mr. Charles.
Yes. Are you done?
Yes.
All right.
Coming
Hit
back to my
enter.
seat.
Hit enter and print new list again. Let's see the difference. Hit enter
Woo!
and print again.
Let's see the face reveal. In 3, 2, 1, suey.
What did you notice?
It did it the
What's your
opposite way around. Opposite way around.
Yes, that's exactly what happened. So let me explain. You remember when you did the first one, you didn't put anything in between the parentheses for
Yup.
sort. That's because we did not change the default. And the default is what? False. What does false mean? It means that we will use it the way it is, which is what? Ascending order.
Alphabet.
But when we say reverse, true, the reverse of ascending order is what?
Descending order.
Thank you very much. So that's why it's
Yay,
showing
you're welcome.
in descending order. Okay, so let's do the same. Let's try what's the next one? North list, the one
North
that does
list with O.
yes. For yes, the O, yes.
O chat P P pop P D P P P D P P P P D P P P P D P D P D P P D P P D P P P P D P P D P P D P P D P D P D P.
Reverse. Don't forget, not reserve. Reverse.
Coming, I'll change it in a minute to lick. Ah! I've forgotten how to spell reverse. Type, type,
Yes, go ahead and print it.
Printing came again. Better not.
Just be careful when you're typing.
Anyone has come.
That's my watch.
Your watch. Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, Mr. Child.
Yes, please.
I'm back, sorry. And the reveal is coming in 3, 2, 1. Sui.
All right. What did you notice? You can see that,
Descending order.
yes. Okay. You want to try that one?
Yep.
Okay, let's see.
Chip, 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 chip. Reveal is coming in 3, 2, 1. Sui. 9210369644745
So
3254.
you just reversed it, right?
Yes, that's the
Okay.
reason we reversed it there and the truth.
Yeah. All right, no problem. Don't worry. We'll try. I'll try and figure out why it behaves like this for those guys.
Yes, because F is literally before O and T.
Hmm.
And E too.
You know what I noticed he's doing? In fact, we don't even need
What?
to go too far. He's just checking the first, what do you call it? The first
First
digit.
number.
Yes. You remember, that's what it would have done in the case of Ferrari, concept cars, Jetta,
Yes.
Lamborghini. It's only the first letter that is checking.
Lamborghini, Mercedes, Mustang,
Yes.
and concept cars. Yeah.
But when the first letters are the same, like Mercedes and Mustang,
To check the second letter.
check the second letters. That's what it did for 45 and 47.
Oh,
It
yeah.
You get it now?
Yeah.
So that's what it's doing. Yes,
That's
it makes sense.
correct.
Yeah.
Now it makes sense.
Yep.
Bye, Daddy. Yeah? Where are you going?
Okay, you want to shut the door?
Okay. Bye. Mr. Cha, what did you say?
Okay, I thought you wanted to go and shut the door.
Yes, I did.
Okay. Okay, so can we proceed now?
Yeah, we can proceed.
Hmm?
Yes, we can proceed.
All right. So at least now we understand what's happening in all the cases. So let's now see the second argument, the one that has the key. You remember there were two. One was reverse. That's the one we have seen. Reverse was saying false. Now we changed it to true, and we've seen what that does. It simply arranges it in descending order. Okay, that's the reverse of ascending order. Let's see that one that says key, and we'll see it with an example. I'm going to send you something now in the chat section. Please just copy and paste it like that, not in WhatsApp. Oh. I'm sending it in Zoom chat.
Through Zoom.
Yes, please. And you're going to call it on the ones that have numbers.
Okay. So if I delay, sorry.
Are you going somewhere?
No.
So what's going to make you to delay?
I thought it meant outside somewhere.
Now, remember, I think you can only copy line
One
by
line. Ah,
Have you seen that function?
yep, that's my phone.
Okay. So if you look at that function very well, we are simply creating a function and we called it my func, and it takes one argument. And that argument that is right, that argument it takes, we're subtracting 50 from it. Okay. And we're finding the absolute value. Do you know why we're finding absolute value? ABS.
Yeah.
Do you know why?
No.
In case the number that we're testing is
It's
more
a
than,
decimal.
no, not really decimal. In case the number we're testing is
It's more than 50.
less than 50. If it's less than 50, it will give us a negative number. You know what happens when you say small number minus big number, right?
Yes. Yes.
So ABS means absolute value. Absolute value doesn't care whether you have negative in front of it or not. It will change every negative to what? Positive. Does that make sense? It doesn't make sense.
That's weird.
What do you mean that's weird? Let me explain
How do
what
I
happened.
know if it's a positive or a negative?
That is what we're trying to say. At this point, wherever we're using it, it just means that we don't care for now. Okay? We're not saying that it is not important to. We're just saying that for now, it's not important.
Okay.
Whether it's positive or negative. It's like
Oh.
saying we want to find out how far that number is from 50. Whether it is, you know, on your number line, you can have negative numbers on the other side of zero. You
Yeah,
can have
very true. Very
numbers on the
true.
other side of zero. So whether it is far negative or far positive, we want to just know how far it is from 50. Do you get it now?
What did you call it again? Absolute what?
So now that we're done with the function, we need to test it. So let me see if I can
Mr.
send
Charles, what did you call it again?
absolute function,
what?
absolute value, sorry. Absolute value. Yes. ABS, absolute.
Value.
Yes. Are you writing it down somewhere?
Writing what down?
What I said.
Oh.
You are repeating what I said as if you are writing it down. Are you writing it down anywhere?
No. I'm memorizing it, that's why. So I can ask my friends.
Okay.
If
So
they
I'm
know
sending
it.
your friend.
Yes, if they know it.
Why do you want to ask your friend?
I don't know. I want to know if they know it. So I'll brag that. So I'll brag that I know something that they don't know.
Okay.
If
All right.
yes,
So I'm sending you something in the chat box based on the example that you have already used in the past. It's the nurse list, the one that has numbers inside that we're calling. Okay, so take note of it. I just said that.
NOS or NUS?
NOS. Okay, so here we go. Did you see what I sent?
Is it all on one line?
Eh?
Don't worry, I thought it was you put it all on one line.
No.
So I should hit enter after the ABS. It didn't see what it did.
And you have to do it twice now. You have to do it twice, Ugo, before you can make a mistake. You forgot to. Uh-huh.
Like this. Wait for me. Ah, that's one thing. How many times should I hit enter? Twice.
Just once now. That one is a plain statement. It's only once you need. Okay, so what do you think happened here? Let me explain. You
Wait, now
remember?
I want to see myself.
All right, okay, no problem. Go ahead.
I don't know.
Okay. So if you look at the my func, what is there? Is finding the absolute value of n minus 50, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So each of those numbers, if you subtract 50 from them, look at what you have. 47 minus 50 is minus 3. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Absolute value of minus 3 is what?
3.
Good. 45 minus 50 is what?
Negative. Minus 5.
Thank you. Absolute value of minus 5 is what?
5.
Good.
But I don't see the 5. I don't see the 3.
You won't see it. The function is doing the job for you in the background. So what it's doing is that it is arranging the numbers based on the difference between those numbers and 50. Does it make sense now? Does it make sense now?
It's what?
It is arranging the numbers based on their difference from 50, between them and 50.
Oh!
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
So that's basically what it's doing. So that's how you use the key. The key is like a way of saying, okay, I don't want you to follow the normal descending or ascending order. I want you to use my own, what do you call it? The things that I want to define, to use it and arrange the list. Even though it will be in ascending order. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Now, please don't allow it to confuse you. 45 should come before 47. But the reason why 47 is coming before 45 is because of the difference between 47 and 50. The difference between 47 and 50.
Yes, because 47 and 50 is minus 3. And the absolute value of minus 3 is 3. And the
Yes.
absolute value of 45 minus 50 is 5. So, and 3 is lower than 5.
Exactly. Exactly. That's exactly what.
You are going to see.
Yes. Okay. So, you have any questions?
Read.
You don't have any questions?
All of this is kind of. Do you understand it? Do. After No questions.
No questions. Okay, good. All right. So these are the things that the basic things that you need to know about the sort method. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So let's see some things that happen. When we mix things up a bit. Let me explain to you what I mean by mixing things up a bit. Did you see that when you, in your first list, the one that is new list, can you see that all of them start with capital letters?
Uh-huh.
So what that tells you is that it is case sensitive. So we're going to do something to see how case sensitive it is. So you see that list that you have there, we're going to mix it with small letters. That is
Which one?
the one that you have. Or maybe let's create another one, please, so avoid confusion. Let's create another one. Create a new list. Create a new list. But this time, it's still going to be a list of whatever you want. But this time, mix it up with capital letters and small letters. Don't just do first letter, capital letter. Do you understand what I'm saying?
So I can make the middle letter capital letter.
No. Leave the middle letter as small letter. Let's focus on the first letter. You understand? Let's just focus on the small letter. The small letter can be capital letter or small letter. Mix it up. Let's see. Okay. No, when I mean that, it's not one particular word. Okay. That's not what I meant. I mean for the different words. So this one, it will only check the first one. Small letter, capital letter. I go to the next one. So the next one, you can do capital letters starting it and so on and so forth. Maybe 3 or 4. You don't need to put too many. Okay, now I didn't say you should take out all the ones that start with capital letters. Though.
That's what I want to do.
Okay. Or why I asked you to mix it is that it will still sort it in alphabetical order. So anyway, go ahead and do it and check for this one before we mix it up. Check your spelling of new. Okay, good. You saw it. Okay. All right, hit enter. Okay. So what did you notice?
Cutting her make nothing with sense.
Okay. So can you see it?
Yes.
Can you see it just arranged it still in alphabetical order? Now I want you to
It
throw in,
doesn't care.
you can, yes, throw in, copy the same list, but this time add some words that start with the capital letter.
Yes, Musa. But should I change the name?
Yeah, sure, you can change the name. Okay.
Good.
Newer list. All right. Okay. So you want to. All right. So hit enter. Why did you hit enter 3 times? Call sort on newer list. Okay. All right. So what did you notice? When you have a mix of
Yeah.
okay, go ahead and check it yourself.
See, cotton candy is still first, but H is meant to be second.
So what do you think it did? I want to hear from you.
I don't know. It's confusing.
Look at it very well now. Okay, let me just explain because of time. It started with the capital letters first. It arranged the capital letters in alphabetical order before it now started arranging the small letters in alphabetical order.
Oh, that's very smart of it to do.
Okay.
What is that? Think of that. Think. Hiya. Kayo. 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 Ah. Now I understand everything.
Now
This
you
was
understand,
so
eh?
new. This was so new.
What did you say?
This was so new.
Okay, I didn't really get that.
This was so new.
All right.
Isn't this was
So I
so
think
new?
we're
done for today.
Yes.
It's
I'll
only
send
been
you.
47 minutes.
Oh no, 1 more minute. One more thing. Let's do. So this is what we call case sensitivity. Okay.
What do you mean?
Yes, you can you not see it's respecting the capital letters before the small
Yes,
letters.
it's being like case races.
Okay. I don't
Case
know.
racism.
I don't want to use that term, but yeah, I guess I understand what you're saying. It's like it's biased towards capital letters. So let us do
Yeah.
something that will make it not to be biased to anyone. Now I'm going to send you something.
Don't make it be racist.
Yes, it shouldn't be racist, right?
Yeah. You should treat
So
everybody equally.
let's make it to be case insensitive.
Yay.
I'm sending it in the chat section now. Hold on. Nurse list.
My tooth is shaking.
Your what?
Tooth.
Okay.
I'll give it to Tooth Fairy.
Your your tooth is growing. It means that you are growing.
Yes, that's how I'll give it to the Tooth Fairy.
That's why you give it to the tooth fairy. Is there any such thing as a tooth fairy?
My friend says she's very Tooth Fairy, even though I still don't believe. That's why I'm just lying.
Fairies are just a figment of somebody's imagination.
Imagination.
Yes. Purely a figment of imagination. They don't
Volcano,
exist.
damn it. Imagination.
All right, check out what I sent.
Yeah, I've seen it.
So when you send in a key like that, so into the sort function, the key will say what? It's saying change everything to lower and do what? Sort me. Okay.
Oh, that's very easy. Change.
Hey, what happened? Oh, I'm sorry. This one applies to the string objects. So change that nurse list to, you still did it again. Change that nurse list to new list. Sorry, my bad. Yes.
Don't worry, I forgive.
All right, then go ahead and print. Oh, sorry, you go. Okay, don't worry, go ahead. Just go ahead. It's not even new list we should have applied it to. We should have applied it to the one where, yes, new one, not just newer, but newer. Nothing, it may not look too different here. Newer, that's the one we should apply it to. Dot sort. Then the key should be that. Exactly. Okay. Newer, yes, please, careful. And remember that the L is not capital L. Okay, cool. All right, let's see how it looks now.
I put 1.
Yes. What
it's no more being racist.
Yes, it's no longer being. Okay. All right. So do you have any questions?
Bias. Nope.
Okay. Let's see one more way. One more method.
And you have 1 hour class.
What did you say?
And you have 1 hour class.
Yes. Is it almost one? Have we done 1 hour?
52 minutes.
52 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one more method. This method is called
Yes.
the reverse method.
Reverse.
So, yes, so reverse method. Now let me explain what reverse method does. Reverse method, whatever was there before, it will reverse it. So we're going to call reverse method on all of them so far. So are you ready? Start with new list. New list. Call the reverse
Very
method
sorry.
on new list. Just call dot reverse. No, there's no big deal about this one. Dot reverse. Whatever it was at that point in time before reverse was called, it will reverse it. No, what I mean by just call dot reverse, I mean call the name of the list dot reverse. That's what I mean.
New list. New list.
Yes.
Dot reverse.
Okay. It's a method.
Wow,
It must have its
Baba,
open and close
balls.
parentheses. Must have its open and close parentheses.
See, that's how quick I am.
Okay.
See, that's how quick I am.
All right. Call print on it.
There's a guy.
Call print on it.
Print new list.
Yes. Okay. So what did you notice? Can you explain what happened back
It
there?
returned it from Kazakh, Ferrari, Jetta, Lamborghini, Mercedes, Mustang. It did it to the way it did it. The way we said it before we did it this time.
Okay. So basically, it takes whatever it is and reverses it, isn't it?
Yep.
If it was ascending, it will reverse it to descending. If it was descending, it will reverse it back to ascending.
Hey. But what if it was ascending? Wasn't it reverse it back to us?
What if what?
Nah, don't worry.
Okay. All right. So I think we can
DW.
stop here for today. I'll send you something
Okay,
to do.
we finished in 55 minutes.
Yes, I think we tried. Okay. So you said you don't have any questions, right? Hmm?